Hi, welcome back to another Unity tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to create an animated toggle button in Unity. First of all, add a UI image as the background of the toggle. Attach a sprite to it, check Preserve Aspect, and then set it to native size. With the background selected, add a new image which will be the fill of the toggle. Check Preserve Aspect, and then set it to native size. Set the image type to filled and the fill method to horizontal. Add a Text Mesh Pro for the toggle state. Adjust it as you wish. Then, create a new image as the handle of the toggle and set the handle sprite. Hold Alt and set the anchor to the left. Create an empty game object named Switch Toggle. Create a new script and attach it to the game object. We begin by importing essential libraries from Unity, Unity Engine UI for UI elements, and TM Pro for Text Mesh Pro. Here, we declare public variables for the images fill image and handle image and the text state text. These lines establish private variables to manage the button state and animation. Handle rect transform will hold a reference to the handle's rect transform. IsOn will keep track of whether the button is currently in the on or off state, and target fill amount will store the desired fill amount for smooth animation. In the start method, we set up initial configurations for the button. We get the rect transform component of the handle image, adjust its pivot to align it to the left side, and set the initial target fill amount based on the initial state is on. Then, we call functions to update the fill amount and state text to reflect these initial settings. The toggles method is responsible for toggling the button state when it's interacted with. It inverses the isOn variable, updates the target fill amount accordingly, and refreshes the state text to match the new state. In the update, we smoothly adjust the fill amount of the button's background image fill image and move the handle to match the desired position based on the current state. These adjustments ensure smooth visual transitions. These helper functions, update fill amount and update state text, are called within the start and toggle methods. They instantly update the visuals of the button to reflect changes in the fill amount and state text, respectively. Finally, in the update state text method, we update the text displayed on the button state text to show either on or off based on the current state is on. Additionally, we adjust the text color to match the corresponding state color on color or off color. Head over to Unity. Assign the fill image to the fill image field and the handle to the handle image field. Drag and drop the text into the state text field. Next, add a button component to the handle and assign the switch toggle game object to the onClick function. Then select the toggle method. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Unity tutorials and game development content.